It's morning at the 1810 farmhouse. Time to get to work today. Stay tuned. New water heater down the hatch. The ramps to do it were even in the garage. Incredible. So working on the farmhouse means I'm going to have to live like a vagabond again, like I used to do when I was on the road. And I'm facing west on Route 6 in Bristol, right in front of the Advance Auto and Panera Bread and the Bank of America, very familiar places to us. And there's a new building across from the Bank of America called Aroma Joe's. I'm going to try a coffee in there and see what it tastes like after having a chicken sandwich here at Wendy's. Bad boy. Stay tuned. Okay, the new water heater is in, and we're just keeping an eye on things as it fills up. And that's a very important time to stick around and make sure everything's okay. It's not the prettiest installation, but the reason for that is everything has to move a little bit because we're going to be doing joists down here. So stay tuned. So after moving the wood rack away from the wall, it's pretty obvious where the sag in the kitchen may be coming from. This beam has a big crack in it, and that's okay. We can certainly fix that. That's what we're doing here. That's what it's all about. So we got a big sag right here where the furnace is, and that would be the corner of the kitchen where the stove is sitting now. And that does make a lot of sense because when you jump around over there, you can feel the bounce. So got this opened up so we can deal with it. We have this opened up so we can deal with it. Stay tuned.